So if you're ready, हाम्रो जति पनि judges हुनुहुन्छ उहाँहरूको नाम हाम्रो finalistहरूले pick गर्नुहुनेछ and then they'll be asking the question as well. मैले जजेसहरूलाई प्रश्न सोध्ने बेलामा मिल्छ भने सकेसम्म नेपाली अङ्ग्रेजी दुवै भाषामा सोधिदिनु हुन र सरल र सहज तरिकाले बुझ्ने तरिकाले क्ल्यारिटीका साथ प्रश्न सोधिदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्न चाहे र गर्ल्सहरूलाई पनि यदि तपाईलाई कुनै प्रश्न कन्फ्युजन छ भने क्विकली तपाईले फेरि एकचोटी पुनः दोहोऱ्याइदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध तपाईहरुले गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ है. You can ask them to repeat the question if you have not understood, but please don't take too long because at the end of the day this is a competition. So are the judges ready? Judges, तपाईहरु ready हुनुहुन्छ? Are you ready? All right, let's welcome our first finalist, Monica Adhikari. Please pick a judge. Lakshman Gautam sir, लाई उहाँले select गर्नु भएको छ.
Monica ji, the question for tonight goes to you. I'll first ask you in English and second in Nepali. Whichever language you prefer to answer, you can choose. What do you believe is your greatest strength and how has it helped you throughout your pageant journey? तपाईको विचारमा तपाईको सबैभन्दा ठूलो शक्ति के हो? यसले तपाईलाई यो प्रतियोगिताको यात्रामा कसरी मद्दत गरिरहेको छ?
You've understood, right?
Yeah.
Ready? What is your greatest strength?
Thank you so much for your question. So, one of the greatest strengths that I believe I have is that I am able to pick myself up when I fall down. I have been through very much hard time where I was at my lowest, and I was the one who picked myself up and moved forward. Thank you so much.
Very well, thank you, Monica. Can you please take the mic from her? Now moving on, please welcome Aditi Shrestha, contestant number 7. Her judge is Dr. Santosh Upadhyay.
Hi, sir.
Are you ready?
I am.
Okay, so the question for you, I'll ask you in both English and Nepali. You can choose any language you prefer, okay? Climate change is a pressing issue worldwide. How do you believe Nepal can contribute to global effort in combating climate change? जलवायु परिवर्तन विश्वव्यापी रूपमा एक प्रमुख मुद्दा हो. नेपालले जलवायु परिवर्तन विरुद्धको विश्वव्यापी प्रयासमा कसरी योगदान पुर्याउन सक्छ?
Thank you so much for the question. Nepal being a country very rich in agricultural diversity and floral and fauna diversity, our farmers are facing a major issue. Our farmers are having a real big issue related to their farming and the products they have been using. So what I believe that Nepal as a nation can do to really take over the climate change is that we should really focus on our agriculture. We should focus on planting more trees, and we should also focus on stopping the industries that are producing a lot of climate waste. Thank you.
धेरै धन्यवाद अदितिलाई. Next, please welcome Sanskriti Bhatta, contestant number 9. Pushpa Kharkaju.
Hello, sir. Hello, Sanskriti.
Hello, sir. How
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
You look confident. I'm good.
Thank you.
I have a simple questions for you. मेरो फिल्डसँग रिलेटेड छ. If you could star in any movie or TV show, what genre would it be and what kind of character would you play? अनि नेपालीमा यदि तपाईले कुनै चलचित्र वा टिभी कार्यक्रममा अभिनय गर्ने मौका पाउनुभयो भने त्यो कुन विधाको हुनेछ र तपाई कस्तो प्रकारको चरित्र रोज्नुहुन्छ? All the
Thank
best.
you for the question, sir. If I'm given a chance to play a role in a movie, I will select a movie which presents a woman or lady as a strong, independent girl or woman who always stand up for herself, no matter whatever she goes through, and pick up herself every time and inspire every youth all around the country and nation to do what they love despite of what people and society says. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanskriti. Please welcome now Dr. Aishnova Dungana Chetri. यहाँ हुनुहुन्छ Mr. and Miss National Nepal 2024 मा हामी छौं Q&A round मा. Dr. Santosh again.
Hi, Aishnova.
Good evening, sir.
I hope you're doing good.
Yes, sir, I'm Zen.
Okay. So I'll be asking you a question in both English and Nepali. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you could meet any celebrity and have a conversation in your podcast, who would it be and why? यदि तपाईले कुनै पनि सेलिब्रिटीलाई भेटेर तपाईको पडकास्टमा कुराकानी गर्ने मौका पाउनुभयो भने को हुन्थ्यो र किन?
Thank you for the question, sir. If I could meet any celebrity, it would be Dr. Sandhu Kruit, who is our ophthalmologist and also the leading ophthalmologist of the entire world. I would ask him how he got that motivation to turn the misery of his sister's death due to tuberculosis to strength to provide us with intraocular lens transplantation, and not just that, he established the intraocular lens transplantation in Nepal, and not many of us can say that we do it. We go abroad to get good facilities, and while it is our right to higher state our living and education, it is also our responsibility towards our Nepal to bring facilities in Nepal and introduce it to the globe. And that is what Dr. Sandhu Kruit has done. He's brought the intraocular lens transplantation in Nepal and saved people abroad, about 8 billion people, from being blind permanently. Thank you.
Thank you, धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ Aishnova. Now please welcome Sajina Khanal, contestant number 21. Priya Sigdale.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, you look gorgeous. So directly, I'll go for your question, both in English and Nepali, and it's really short and simple.
Okay.
But the answer is something I have high expectation from. What is the biggest challenge young women face today in Nepal? आजको समयमा नेपाली नारीहरूले देखिने सामना गर्ने सबैभन्दा ठुलो चुनौती के हो जस्तो लाग्छ हजुरलाई?
Thank you for your question, ma'am. I think the biggest problem that women are going through nowadays is inequality. I think we can see in various sectors that women are not getting enough opportunity as men are getting. We definitely believe that women and men are two sides of a coin, but I do not think women are getting equal opportunities as they should. So I definitely would like to advocate about how much a woman can do, because woman is love, woman is compassion, and woman is the one to bring another generation to the world. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sajina. Now moving on to Shraddha Adhikari, contestant number 23. Pushpa Bhushal, ma'am.
Very good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sada, how are you?
I'm feeling
How do-
wonderful. How about you, ma'am?
Yes, fine. My questions goes to you. Language on your performance. My question is very simple but very challenging questions. What sacrifices do women makes more than men? महिलाहरूले पुरुषहरूभन्दा बढी के त्याग गर्छन्? Thank you.
Thank you for the question, ma'am. महिलाहरूले पुरुषहरूभन्दा के त्याग गर्नुहुन्छ भन्दाखेरि पुरुषहरूले चाहिँ आफूलाई गर्न मन भएको ड्रिम्सहरू फलो गर्दै जानुहुन्छ तर फिमेलहरूले चाहिँ ड्यु टु एज वुमेन आर भेरी empathetic and they have a love for their family more than the men. Women sacrifice their dreams, careers, and whatever they. Sorry, ma'am. Women sacrifice their dreams and career for their family and their loved ones, while in Nepali society, men follow their dreams, which is not equal as the female do. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shraddha. And our last finalist for tonight, please welcome Rajita Parajuli, Pratispardi number 24. Vivek Singh Thakuri.
Congratulations, Rajita.
Thank you so much, sir.
And congratulations to all the 7 beautiful ladies who've made it to the top 7. So you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Kathmandu is frequently ranked among the most polluted cities in the world in terms of air quality. So in your opinion, what steps can be taken to mitigate this issue? म नेपालीमा पनि भन्छु हावाको गुणस्तरको हिसाबले काठमाडौँलाई विश्वको सबैभन्दा प्रदूषित शहरहरूमा बारम्बार स्थान दिइन्छ तपाईको विचारमा काठमाडौँको वायु प्रदूषण न्यूनीकरण गर्न के कस्ता कामहरू गर्न सकिन्छ
Thank you so much for the question, sir. मलाई लाग्छ काठमाडौँको प्रदूषण न्यूनीकरण गर्नको लागि सर्वप्रथम त हामीले हाम्रो जति पनि गाडीहरूको धुवा धुलोहरूको त्यसलाई न्यूनीकरण गर्नुपर्छ त्यसको लागि ट्राफिकदेखि लिएर रोडको नियम कानुन र लेनको एकदमै राम्रो व्यवस्था गर्नुपर्दछ साथसाथै त्यहाँ हाम्रो इन्डस्ट्रियलाइजेसनलाई उद्योगबाट निक्लिएको धुवाहरूलाई न्यूनीकरण गर्नुपर्दछ थ्यांक यू धन्यवाद
Dhanyavad sir, Rajita Parajuli. Ladies and gentlemen, these are our top 7 finalists for tonight. One more time, let's have a round of applause for our ladies. We've done with their Q&A. And right after this, I'd like to welcome our next contestants on stage. The men will start with them as well. Thank you so much, ladies. Thank you.